Hi everyone, this is Sarang from Payboy Mansion family, and I would like to greet a happy birthday to the one and only queen of PBM and my one and only kumare dito sa Imo. Happy birthday sa iyo, Queen Bambi. Wishing you all the best in life, and I hope this year brings you all the happiness you deserve. May God always protect you and guide you. More and more birthdays to celebrate. Take care always and enjoy your day.
Hi po! Ayan, mapagpalang araw. Ayan, nais ko lang batiin ng maligayang kaarawan ang aking utol na si Utol Queen Bambi. Stay pretty and mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Love, love!
Happy birthday, Ate Bam. Sorry, I'm late. Sabi nga no, it's better than late than never. At least nakahabol ako sa pagbati sa'yo. And happy birthday, Ate. Wishing you all the best for your day today. Anong date na ba? Nalimutan ko na. So, happy birthday, Ate. Wishing your love life will be continue. And sana ito na yung talagang true love para sa'yo. And of course, I'm hoping that soonest you will be here na sa Dubai. See you soon, ate. Happy birthday. Pasensya na sa boses ko. Medyo pagod at alam mo naman, Ramadan season ngayon sa Middle East. Happy birthday, ate. I love you. See you soon. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Happy birthday, Queen Bambi. May you have a blast today's birthday celebration. Thank you for trusting us, for staying in Playboy Mansion. Sa pagiging ate ng lahat, sa pagiging kumare, at sa pagiging head moderator na patuloy na nag-aangat sa bahay para makilala at para maging isa sa mga inspiration or alley of entertainment nila dito sa Imo. You are helping them a lot, and from that, thank you so much. You have this skills na street smart, ang bilis ng utak, and I admire you sa ganyang klase ng skills. Hindi lahat binibiyayaan ng ganyang talento. Makakaasa ka ng suporta namin bilang mga kapatid mo sa Playboy Mansion, at kasama na rin ang pagdarasal namin na sana lahat ng prayers and wishes mo matupad for your family, for your children, and for yourself. God bless you more and more. Stay humble and be happy. Thank you.
Little mama, show me how you move it. Go ahead, put your back into it. Do your thing like it ain't nothing to it. Shake it.